It's Mike again. We're working on the front suspension and spindles, control arms on the pickup. Cleaned up the rack, took it all apart and cleaned the old grease out of it and re-greased it because after I cleaned it, it was a little bit notchy. Now it's nice and smooth, so we got that all done. The spindles, I put the tie rod flip kits in just to help with bump steer when you're driving low. And then sourced a set of used backing plates because I couldn't find any new ones other than in Germany. We got new inner tie rods, outer tie rods. The control arms were new. We painted them up, put new ball joints and polyurethane bushings on them. The coilovers I got from a good friend, he bought them and never drove on it. He just mocked it up and then ended up buying H&R ultra lows. So I got them off of him. And this upper strut bearing, I got a new old stock set of Bone Wrath early polyurethane ones in a parts buy that I did, buying a guy's 30-year collection of parts. So we're gonna put all this on today and see how far we get. Don't forget to put the ground strap for the steering rack on, because that's how your horn is grounded through the steering shaft. If you don't have this little ground wire on, then your horn won't work. You'll be trying to figure out why. So that's the front spindles and control arms and suspension on, steering racks in. The next video we'll be getting hopefully the last parts we're missing for the front calipers, and we'll put in the front brake lines, new master and booster, and get all the brakes on it so it can go back on its wheels. And then we haven't done any videos because we're trying to get all the pieces we need for the engine together, so we're not waiting for it and to send out another batch of zinc coating. Our goal is to get it running and driving for the show here in the Falls, German area, which is 87 days away, so it'll be tough if we run into parts we're missing or can't find. So that's where we're at. I got muriatic acid to try and clean out the gas tank. It wasn't really rusty, but it had dried up fuel in it, so I don't want to go through a pump and the new injectors and stuff I got, so we're going to try and clean that out and see how that works so we can get that in. And then, I think we got every other part, hopefully. So hopefully it should go smooth sailing from here out. So, until next time.